Hello everyone. Today, how can you recover a closed and disabled Instagram account? That's what I'll be talking about today. First off, how can we get back a disabled Instagram account? We've got a website for that, n.webhakim.com. Let's hide over to that site. After opening this site, let's type Instagram in the search box at the top right. Let's search it this way. Then, let's find the article How to Recover a Disabled Instagram Account here and go into it. In this article, first we need to talk about this. Why does Instagram disable accounts? So that something like this Disney happen to ye again, ye need to follow the community guidelines. Ye shouldn't be breaking the policies. Ye shouldn't be liking or commenting too much. Cause when ye follow too many folk, Instagram might think you're a bot and block ye. It might even shut down your account. Please pay attention to this. We've already talked about most of it here. If you've got a message saying your account's been disabled again, this Disney just mean you've got a problem logging in. It means your account has officially got a restriction warning. It could even get shut down completely. So please, dinna make these mistakes again. Now, in the article we've put together here, there's an appeal form. When we click on this link, look, here's the Instagram.com hacked link. Click on the link here and go to your account. First off, folks, when you click the link there, Instagram sends you to a page like this. Let's have a wee look at the link here as well. You'll be going to the Instagram.com hacked link. Here, by putting in your username, phone number, or email address, you can move on to the next step, which is the identity verification bit. Here, it asks for the front of your ID and a selfie video for you. You've probably seen this before. It asks for identity verification by getting you to turn your face to the right and to the left. If ye manage to pass this bit as well, ye can get your account back. Folks, they get back to ye within 24 to 72 hours. If ye can't get your account back during these steps, I came across a message like this on the Instagram support line. For example, I'll enter it ye. My aim username. The message on the support line says, folks, that if ye shut down your Instagram account yourself, ye can't get it back. No way. If ye kent it was getting shut down, there's still a chance ye can get it back by contacting Instagram. Try it via that link. Hope ye get your account back. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If ye need a hand or have another question, ye can get in touch with me on webhakim.com or in the comments on YouTube. Cheers, see ye later.